Looking for the quickest and safest way to download Dodo Webview in 2026? You're in the right place. This updated guide walks you through the process step by step, helping you avoid risky downloads and ensuring you get the official, secure version of Dodo Webview. Whether you're setting it up for work, browsing, or app compatibility, this method keeps everything smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First is open your web browser and search for the Dodo Web download app and click the first link. Scroll down and click Download APK and click it. Now download the file and start to use it. And that's the easiest and safest way to download Dodo Webview in 2026. By following the updated steps, you'll avoid unreliable sources and keep your device secure while getting the version you need. Be sure to bookmark this guide for future use and enjoy a fast, safe browsing experience.